Hi friends, welcome back to Amazing Women's World. In this video I'll show you how to align this zipper to any kurti, kameez or dresses. This is the normal zipper, whereas the teeth of the zipper will be on the top, and I'd be also taking the strip of 3 inches width and 17 inches in length. A little amount of extra should be taken apart from the slit length, and I have concealed the raw edges of this strip. Now towards the right side, I'd be marking the center line. This will help to align the zipper properly. Now place the right side of the strip on the right side of the kurti. Align both together, just adjacent to the line, start sewing. Keeping the marked line as the reference, just adjacent to the line, start sewing. Placing right on right, start sewing towards wrong side. With 1 mm seaming allowance, start sewing. That is just adjacent to the slit. You have to sew it. Reaching towards the slit end, give the sharp V turnings. Insert the needle in, turn to another side. Sew just like as I have shown now. The slit should be kept just adjacent to the line and sew it. Now we have to give the slit on the marked line. Ensure it should not cross the thread line. Till the end, that means V shape, you have to give the slit. Now turn the strips towards wrong side, unzip, place the zipper seaming allowance just adjacent to the teeth underneath the sewn strip. Now give the top stitch, placing like this. I am using the zipper footer to install it easily. Start giving the top stitch just adjacent to the teeth and down the center of the garment. I am using the contrast color thread to make it visible. Reaching to the slit end, ensure the other side of the strip should be overlapped on this zipper teeth. Firstly, let's zip it, then overlap the strip on the other side and sew a little till it reaches to the another side zipper teeth like this. I have already sewn on the left side, now I am sewing towards right side. You can feel the touch of the teeth just adjacent to the teeth. Sew it. The strip of the right side should be overlapped on the zipper teeth. This way will conceal the zipper teeth of any garments like kurtis, kameez or dresses. I'm done with this joining of the zipper to the center back of the kameez. See how professionally it's been inbuilt. And use the same color thread for the clean and neat finishing. And this is towards back side. I hope this video is useful to you. Do not forget to hit the like button. If you are watching for the first time, please subscribe and also click on the bell button for future notifications. Please do leave your recommendations and suggestions in the comment section. I'd love to read it. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned to watch more. Meet your friends with another interesting video. Bye for now.